What's up, Goon Squad? Today we're going to be working on both of the Jeeps. To this one, we're going to try to primer this hardtop in today, get it ready for paint, primer it, let that sit all day. And once we do that, we're going to hop over here to this one, and we're going to go to the junkyard and try to get the speakers and everything from it. As much stuff as possible to put this thing together, start throwing it together, piecing it together. Also, we are going to go try to get a rear glass for this hardtop right here at the junkyard. We're mainly focused on the interior of this Jeep today. We're focused on the speakers, the plastic pieces, piecing it together, bolting it on, seats, carpet, everything that we wash is going back in there. We're gonna get most of the parts in the junkyard. And then once we finish all that and that hardtop sprayed in with primer, we're gonna assess the damage on this Jeep and see how bad it is. We're gonna go through the paint, see what we can fix, what we can save. Most likely we will be repainting this Jeep because the hood does have a little bit of cracks in it. So we might sand the whole Jeep and repaint it, make it look brand new. So now we're headed to the junkyard. I got a list right here of what we need. Hardtop window, speakers, radio, everything, you know, everything we need for this Jeep. All right, guys, we're gonna catch you there. All right, we are here at the junkyard. We got the toolbox. We're gonna go find some Jeeps. Let's get to it. We have found the Jeep.
They moved it. They usually move their vehicles every once in a while.
Man, radio's took him. It's not the same design anyways. A little bit older style.
I think we need the track bar off of this thing. This is a stock one. I think the front's an adjustable. After hours and hours of wrenching, because we have not come prepared with the right tools to the junkyard. But usually, if you come to a junkyard unprepared, you still find a way to get the stuff off. There we go. There she is. It's a high quality track bar.
I don't know what brand it is.
Guys, if we have any vapors out there, we got some Wonder Vapes and we got some Naked All Melon. Go ahead and get them handled, because you know we're going to be wheeling here soon.
We're coming up on a Jeep. It is a 06, so this is the speakers we need.
Boom. Boom, that one's broke, but we're going to take out the actual speaker out of that little box there. Yeah. We're going to try to take these things right here for your door, so because this place always gets scratched up.
And them speakers.
And we're going to take these speakers out of here and this radio. This is a 06, so it's going to be a little bit of an upgrade. What's in there?
I heard there was like, the guy said they put like a big block Chevy in here.
The Invisibuild?
Yeah.
Dang, that's strong. So this is what we picked up from the junkyard. Got aluminum track bar. It's super lightweight, so don't work out with it, but it is very nice. It's high quality. It's got Heims on this end. Picked up a radio shroud and pretty much center console shroud there. Oops. We got two pairs of these. What are these called?
I'm really not sure. They go
here.
They go right there.
Boom, like that.
Little
guards. Little guards, so you don't scratch your stuff up. We got two pairs of those. And we also got these grab handles here.
Grab handles, yeah.
Grab handles, high quality.
Roll cage.
We're gonna throw them on the roll cage. And last thing that we got is all the speakers that we need. We got the two front, the two rear, and we also got the radio. So we're gonna be bumping, guys. Radio's in and works. We just need to plug up the speakers. The only thing we're missing is the subwoofer and the center console, which we need to find one of those. If anybody's got one and they want to sell it or give it away, let me know. So we got the carpets cleaned up as best as we could. They're looking pretty clean. There's a few stains that we couldn't get out. Got all the carpets in. Now we're going to put in the center console. If we do find a subwoofer, we could easily take that off as one section and put that subwoofer inside. So we're going to go ahead and piece that together. We're heading right now to FedEx to pick up a package that's already in the facility. So we're gonna go pick it up. It's for the blue Rubicon. And then we are gonna go to pick up some primer. And and try to get that hardtop primed because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and we just want to do it before the weather hits. There's the fender, guys.
Here we got the primer. 1K finished primer and then standard 2K
Activator.
Activator.
So we're heading to Harbor Freight right now to get a cheap primer gun and we're gonna prime that hardtop.
Let's get to it.
All right, Billy, which gun do you want?
No, we just need this one right here, cheap one.
All right, so we got the primer gun and we also got the primer. And now we're gonna set up the hardtop somewhere out there and try to get it sprayed in. We're gonna tape off the windows, tape off the inside here. We got some tarp, got wax and grease remover tape. All right, so we got it all taped up. We got it wax and grease removed. He's going to prep the primer and he's gonna air blow it and then we're gonna spray it in with some primer. All right, so we have it primed. We got 2 coats of primer on there, 2 nice thick coats. So that should make sure the adhesion is really nice with the paint. So that took care of that. All we got to do is let it dry. And I don't know when we'll get to it, either Monday or Tuesday. We'll get to sanding on it. We'll wet sand it, we'll wet sand it with a 400 grit and we'll get it prepped for paint. Because we are color matching this, I think it's gonna look real good. Nice and blue for the Rubicon. Another productive day. We were working on 2 Jeeps today, both of the TJ, so we knocked out 2 birds in 1 stone. So we had a good day, guys. Tell them what we did.
We ended up getting the hardtop primed in and it dried out, it set. We put it back on the Jeep because it will probably be raining tomorrow. And we did put the interior in on the Sahara. They're both 2003s if you guys didn't know.
We also went and got a few parts from the junkyard. All the parts that we needed for that Jeep pretty much. And we got a new track bar for this Jeep. All right, guys, we had a great day as usual. So guys, be sure to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. We got a lot of more cool things coming to the channel. If you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to do that now because you do get an inside scoop of what's coming before YouTube.
Also, check out our website, get you some merch. We got shirts, we got hats, we got jackets. Check it out.
goonzquad.com.
Link in the description.
Also, if you want to support us, be sure to check out our GoFundMe or our Patreon and support us there.
And guys, be sure to turn on your post notifications.
That's it, guys. We'll catch you guys next time.
Peace.